When developing WPF applications, maintaining a crisp and clear user interface across different display setups can be challenging, especially when users move an application between monitors with varying pixel densities. DPI awareness plays a crucial role in ensuring that your application scales correctly, preventing common issues like blurry text or images. In this video, we walk you through the steps to implement DPI-aware mode using SciChart controls in your WPF applications. By enabling this feature, you can ensure that your application delivers a high-quality user experience regardless of the display setup, preserving the clarity and the sharpness of your UI elements. In this video, I would like to show you how DPI-aware mode works in a SciChart application. By default, a WPF application doesn't support DPI-aware mode out of the box. What does this mean? Nowadays, many developers use multiple monitors for their everyday work. For example, I have a laptop with a certain pixel density for its monitor, and I also have an external monitor connected via DisplayPort, HDMI, or Type-C port with a different pixel density. Throughout the day, I often move my application from one monitor to another. As a user, I want to have a high-quality UI, no blurring, and a perfect display effect. To support this behavior, you as a developer need to implement a special approach in the application, starting with the manifest. Right now, you can see our simple application with DPI mode support. If we change the scale, for example, to 145%, you can see a blur effect and a lack of pixel density. To avoid this, you need to add a special manifest to the application. Let's do it step by step. I need to close the application, go back to scaling, and add a manifest. As I already mentioned, to do that, right-click on the Add menu, select New Item, and then Manifest. You can filter by manifest. Now our application has a manifest. Here, you can see a template for DPI-aware mode, but we recommend a slightly different setting to support DPI mode. Here you can see two options: DPI awareness per monitor and DPI aware with the value set to true. Let's rebuild our application. Build and run it again. Now you can see the scale at 100%. Let's increase the scaling. Now you can see a very good view. No blurring and very good pixel density for the labels, charts, grid lines, and text labels. For example, here, foreign time and license. Let's increase the scaling further. Okay, still a very good view. No blur effects and good quality for labels, charts, text, icons, and drop-downs. This is a major feature of DPI awareness, no blur effect. How does it work? Internally, we override the onDPI-changed method in our custom SciChart surface. This method is invoked every time a user changes the scale. For example, now you can see the .NET framework invokes our method, and we calculate a new scale factor for our application based on the new value. The new value is 1.45 for the X and Y coordinates. It works this way. Additionally, we set the bitmap scaling mode property to the value nearest neighbor. And after updating the scale factor, we set the layout transform for our main SciChart surface. That's all you need to implement in a WPF application to have a very good view of SciChart controls and move the application between monitors without losing quality or experiencing blurring effects. Thank you very much. You can find our example for DPI in our repositories for examples.